Hello everyone, my name is Eddie Philpott. I am a high school math teacher and I work at Huntley High School, which is in the Chicago suburbs in Illinois. Technology strengths and weaknesses, I'd say I've got a lot of strengths, pretty comfortable with technology, very googly, very familiar with a lot of their applications that they have for education. I teach at a one-to-one school where all of the students have Chromebooks. So I mean, for the students to be googly, that's an expectation. I also teach a blended Algebra 2 course. So in that format, it would be similar to a flipped classroom. We have attendance days and not attendance days. Almost all the instruction is online via instructional videos. And it's all organized through our learning management system that we use at my school, which would be Power School Learning, formerly Haiku. Digital tools that I have access to, I'm pretty privileged. I've got a lot that my work has provided me with. I've got, as I mentioned, our learning management system, Power School Learning, any of the Infinite software that I need for math, which is very helpful for quick worksheet generation. I have an Edpuzzle Premium account, which is very, very nice for posting instructional videos. Let's see, let me just go through a couple I wrote down here. We have Pearson for our textbooks that our district shelled out big bucks for, so we have access to all of their online resources. So students have access to their textbook online, which in fact we do not pass out a student copy of the text unless they specifically requested, or IEP 504 or something like that. But otherwise it's all accessed online. We also have, through that, access to MathXL, which again is just another online platform that we can use for creating assignments, homeworks, quizzes, even tests. We don't use it for tests, but it can be done on that. So that's cool. But anyways, here I am, and I'm excited to be in the course. So look forward to collaborating with all of you shortly.